Here's an Airbnb hack I guarantee you didn't know. What I want you guys to do is go to airdna.co. Look for your property. If you're trying to get more occupancy, what I want you guys to do is actually look at the competitors. Look at their titles and duplicate as close as you can. Also look at the photos. How many photos do they have in their profile? The more photos, the longer someone's going to stay on the profile, which means the algorithm's going to push your listing to the top. Also look at the order of the photos. Does it start with living room? Does it go to kitchen? Does it go to bathroom? Follow what other people are doing. Model, mimic, master. If they have a high occupancy, the reason you don't is because you're not modeling what they're doing. Also look at the pictures. Look at the profile picture and do the opposite of what everybody else is doing. So if someone has a picture of their living room as their main photo, which is the biggest real estate in the listing itself, which means it's the most popular and the most valuable real estate, which is the photo. Look at their photos and see if everybody's doing the same thing. Do something that stands out that's a little bit different of your photos. This will definitely increase your occupancy. Follow me for more tips, tricks, and strategies like this. Go to my listing. Oh, go to my bio. I got something special for you guys as well. Let's roll.